Alright guys, we are at the Ikea store in Paramus, New Jersey. Also outside the Christmas tree shops. And I think these are the Christmas tree shop Ikea parking garage elevators. Or just elevator in this case. This one's a Schindler, different from what we saw in the store. So let's ride it. Yeah, it's down to the garage. Look at that. That's kind of cool. There's the 3 Schindler elevators for the store, but they were way too busy to film. So we're just gonna ride this one next, and then go to the Christmas tree shops afterwards. Yeah, this is pretty big. Not nearly as big as the inside of the store, but yeah. Oh, VR this time. Yeah, it smells funny in here. The indicator's messed up. There's no L out here. Let's see what the call station looks like out here. Oh, another Schindler. Nice lanterns though. Oop. Oh, I totally ignored the button. So now it's going upstairs now. Alright, we gotta wait. I guess while we're waiting, there's a freight elevator for Ikea. Alright, finally got the elevator back. You guys can come off. Alright, let's try this again. Go to the end of it too. And get our cat. Yep, we're nudged. This is half the capacity of the store elevator. Alright, finally made that up to 2. And that's gonna be it for this video.